You know, biconditional statements are statements that are declarative sentences that involve an if and only if, which means biconditional, it goes both ways. The first thing implies the second thing, and the second thing also implies the first thing. And the way we say those two statements together is to attach them with the phrase if and only if. So if I say A, if and only if B, that means that if A, then B, and it also means if B, then A. Let me show you how you can actually take sentences, especially definitions, and write them as biconditionals. Let's take a look at an example. A quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. There's a definition. And one way you can write that as a biconditional is we could actually say a figure is a quadrilateral if and only if it is a four-sided polygon. You see how I introduced the if and only if phrase? Let's take a look at one more together. An angle bisector is a ray or line that divides an angle into two congruent angles. Now we can actually write that definition as a biconditional by saying something like a ray or a line is an angle bisector if and only if it divides an angle into two congruent angles. If and only if, biconditional. We can use them as definitions. We can use them in statements where, in fact, A implies B and also B implies A. They're awesome, very powerful, and to be used with great care. I'll see you soon.